Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stewed chicken. First, select your chicken pieces, ideally bone-in and skin-on thighs or drumsticks, about 2.5 pounds. Marinate them for at least 30 minutes or even overnight in a mixture of herbs and spices. This step is crucial for infusing deep flavor into every bite. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll build the foundational flavors. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Brown your marinated chicken pieces in batches until they are beautifully golden on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Remove the chicken, then add your chopped aromatics like 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. Sauté them until softened, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Now it's time to create the rich stew base. Pour in about 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 14.5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir well, ensuring all the flavorful bits are incorporated. Return the brown chicken pieces to the pot, nestling them into the liquid. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 45 minutes or until the chicken is fork tender. Finally, let's perfect our stew. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of dried thyme or fresh parsley. If you prefer a thicker sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering stew until it thickens. Serve your delicious, comforting stewed chicken hot, perhaps over fluffy white rice or with some warm, crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.